Hello, this is a quick video on using the HyperDoc to help you work on more than one day's worth of work at a time. So this is so you can work at your own pace. Even if you want to just do this Monday, Tuesday, and you want to follow the scope, you can still use the HyperDoc because everything for the whole day, besides the attendance question, is linked here. So you have to go to Google Classroom to do the attendance question because I didn't want to link it. I didn't want people working on the attendance question for Friday because it won't post until each day. That's a daily sort of posting. So if you want to watch the agenda videos, they are hyperlinked up here. All you have to do is click on these links and it will take you directly to YouTube so you can watch the video. The videos are all hyperlinked in either the teal color or sometimes if I have more than one, I will use different colors. So here's one in teal, one in purple, and one in blue. These are separate videos, 3 separate videos. So you would use the hyperlinks. I made them different colors so it will be obvious that you're clicking on 3 different things. But the assignments are all in red so that they would be very easy to see. So when you just click on the hyperlink, it'll automatically bring up in a new window what it was that you were looking for. So the links for the assignments will take you directly to the assignment page. So it will have, the attached video and documents and a way for you to turn things in. It looks entirely different in a student view. I'm sorry, I can't show you that for this one. But it will take you directly to the assignment just like that. So you can access all of the links to all of our optional activities too, except the Zoom chat. I don't put that available until, a little bit closer to the time because I don't want people hanging out in the Zoom chat or the weight room when it's not available because I will not be on there until right before 1 p.m. No point in putting it on there until then. But this is just a way you can go through Monday and have access to all the links and everything you need to do Monday. And if you want to move on and say, I got extra time today, work on Tuesday, you could ideally spend 30 minutes a day is what I plan for on my class. Or then if that 30 minutes is over, you could easily, if you had extra time, go through and you could knock out this whole entire week in less than 3 hours maximum. And knowing that all the optional activities, these are not optional, I guess, if you didn't do it this day, but they're all due. Everything is now due Sunday the 5th or whatever Sunday state happens to be, but this one happens to be the 5th at 11:59 p.m. All right, so that's all there is to it. Accessing the links, everything that's hyperlinked is in a different color and underlined. So you can click on it. It will take you directly to what it is you need to do to work on, the video, the assignment, the website, and everything is just easy to access from this HyperDoc. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I can't wait to see how you guys work at your own pace. Bye.